Vegan Detox Diet. A lot of people nowadays are increasingly cautious with their food intake and are currently leaning more towards a healthier lifestyle. This is mainly brought about by the fact that there is an alarming growth rate of health complications that can be directly attributed to poor eating habits and a sedentary lifestyle. The much dreaded cancer and fatal heart problems are largely acquired not solely on hereditary issues, but because of the deplorable unhealthy practices that most Americans have today. These factors, among others, are the primary reasons why there are several people who are scampering towards improving their overall wellness through increased physical activities, holistic practices, and a healthy dose of awareness on their food intake. One of the sensational and widely recognized methods towards achieving fitness goals is through the adherence to the vegan detox diet. A vegan detox diet is a healthy way to getting rid of the toxins that have been accumulated in your body through the years. The exclusion of meat in the diet is said to be the key to eliminating toxins that could potentially trigger a host of diseases, primarily colon cancer. A typical vegan detox diet would consist of fresh fruits, herbs and nuts, whole grains and cereals. It is optional if an individual would include dairy products and egg in their food list. However, there are some critics of the vegan detox diet programs who raises skeptical questions on its effectiveness. Most of these programs claim to be fast fix solutions that usually have duration of 3 weeks or so. According to Dr. Peter Pressman, a professor of clinical medicines at the University of Southern California, a 3-week detoxification program could prove to be potentially dangerous rather than beneficial to individuals who practice vegan detox diet. He claims further that there is certainly no fast and efficient way to purging environmental toxins. Forcible riddance of these toxins can have adverse effects, since you are actually pushing your body to expel well above its capability. It would take a consistent and religious observance other than a long period of time before you can actually acquire viable results. There are a lot of diet and detoxification programs that abound nowadays, all with false promises of instant cure or relief from particular ailments. Don't just become an additional victim to the rising statistics. Do your research before actually subjecting your body to some strict regimens that could potentially do more harm than good. Trust your better judgment. Diet programs may come and go in rapid successions. Stick to the tried and tested methods.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.